You checked the mail, right?
Yeah, there's nothing in there.
Okay.
I got the door. So we got Dylan, Peter, Cal,
And Cassie.
Cassie. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So we'll go through that.
That's 6. That works.
Yeah, that's 6. 2 boxes of pasta should cover that.
You only got two boxes?
I figured that's all we needed. It's what, 6 people for 2 boxes of pasta? They say serving size is at least 3.
Yeah, but we might have leftovers or something,
Well, if we were planning on leftovers, you should have told me.
Yeah. That'll be fine. Hey, Peyton, do you mind helping me with the kitchen a bit? It's kind of dirty, my guy.
What? It's clean enough.
Clean enough, dude. What do you mean? Look at the spilled sugar. Look at the butter. Look at the oven. The stove.
Steven,
my guy.
Look, nobody's gonna be in the kitchen. We're gonna be in the living room all night.
It doesn't matter. They could be here any minute, and it's filthy in here. I don't want them thinking we're
Filthy,
pigs, my
filthy
guy.
what? We cleaned it a week ago.
Dude, do you not understand what I'm saying? You can't just leave butter here. And look at the sugar.
Steven, it's fine. Nobody's
guy.
gonna be in the kitchen.
This is disgusting. It's filth. Great. They're here.
Hey.
They're here.
Look, Steven, it's all right.
Oh
Just
my
go.
God.
Hey, go answer the door. I'm gonna clean up the rest of this, okay? Just keep them in the living room while I work on the kitchen.
You clean the kitchen, and I'll go answer the door.
That's what I said. Hey, Steven, who was it? Steven?